Alright. Gotta get the secret spot. Time to catch a 6-pound smallie. Oh my god. What is that? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh! Good one. Good one. I don't know what it is, but might be small. Oh, oh! I got him good. Oh, it's a good one. Woohoo! Oh my god, he's about to break my rod. Try to bring him to the bank over here. Come on. Come on. Get over here. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's a good 1-pounder. It's a pretty good one. First fish of the day. Second fish of the day. Oh, that's a pretty fat one. Another one. Oh, another one. Bites back. This one's smaller. Ooh, ooh, probably the same size. No. What is that? It's a dead pike. It was like 8:12 at the secret spot right now. I think someone's cutting grass right now.